test. Type in my... You're doing it again. Oh my goodness. You're doing it. Yep. Doing another test now. Oh my god.
Attention all Wood County units at 1000 hours. Wood County Communications will be conducting a monthly test for the Wood County Outdoor Early Warning Siren System. 950.
Thanks for letting us know.
Attention all Wood County units. Wood County will now conduct a test of the zone alert functions of the Wood County Outdoor Early Warning Siren System. Southeast 150 Brenner Fire. You have a run 110 Cherry Street. 84-year-old female has COVID and is vomiting. Everybody in the house is also ill. Advising to use the back door. Time now, 10:01. Use shelter.